Yeah, just a little stuck. Just a little stuck. Good times. There we go.
Just let me get out.
Well.
Where's the fun?
I think I've thread the other one.
That's significantly deeper than when I come through it.
That's you roping another car. Or at least do it with a bit more momentum.
Oh, good times. Well, that was an epic start. One in, number two about to go. Yeah, woohoo! That's a fish, surely. As much as you can. Yeah, that was a fish. Alright, number one. It only took 2 casts. Yeah, so you use the wave to bring it closer and then let it run. That's it. That wasn't small, I don't think. Woohoo! Salmon. Yeah, just drag it now, drag it now. That's a big one. Lovely. Well, my dad's rod's done it again. Only 20 years apart from the last cast, I reckon. Refurbished and doing well.
Would you like the car?
Alright, so we're fishing with the old double paternoster. We've got 1 salmon, Sats has got 1 salmon. We've seen something breach out there. We think could be a marlin, crazily enough. The birds are all around it. Wonder if it's a whale. Yeah or nah? No? The rod will be dancing. If you just hold it up straight and taut, you'll feel...
Nothing there.
No, okay, it was a hit though. It didn't hook up, I don't think. Unless it's very small. No, you have got one, a little flathead. A little flathead. Very nice.
Okay, wait up, Steve. I got to show you the trick. Hold it out there.
Hold it there.
No, you're meant to hold it. And turn it as far away from you as possible. Get that line. Look at this.
Very nice.
Turn around so it's facing.
Turn it this. Yeah.
There we go.
Alright, who's going to release him?
Tough way to get him. Where's the rag? This grabs the tail.
Rag and tail, yes. Yep. There you go. Good, good. Bye bye, Mr. Flathead. Choo! There's a wedge-tail eagle. Huge bird. Amazing. No seagulls now. Yeah, he's on, he's on. He's coming towards you. Alright, that's a big one, that's a big one. And now walk towards it when the wave goes back.
There it is. Backward.
Woohoo! Leave the drag on just for fun.
Walk forward. Okay. And come backwards now.
Yeah, back again. Oh, he's coming. Oh, that's bigger. Phew!
We just got him out of the water, but just in case. Oh, piss off.
Steve-o!
Yeah, from here. No, from this side. Yeah, that's it.
Very, very good. That's much bigger. So, 2 fish. We've been here about hour and a half. 2 pretty good salmon though. The second one was 55, the first one was just on 50. Not bad at all. Go, Matty! Number 3. Oh, my dad's old rod's doing okay. 2 out of the 3 today. He came towards you for a bit. He's not off, surely.
Oh, no.
Yep. The old salmon shuffle. Oh, not quite.
Look at the size of my fish.
Water, water. That's much smaller. You can definitely throw him back if you want to. He's much smaller. Well, that was almost instant. Just cast the bloody thing. Bang! Another couple of bits of pilly, salty pilchard as always. One on the top, one on the bottom. So with baiting, you want to go through once to the other side and then through twice to just get the best grip you can with the waves moving and rough. That'll hold it pretty well. Just a little bit of gape there. Well, back at our room, not a too bad fishing session at all. Few fish, a couple of boys got their first salmon ever. Pretty good. Anyway, if you like the video, as usual, hit like, and if you want to see some more, hit subscribe. See you later.